I'm a 20-year veteran in the Navy, and I spent a fair share in and out of helicopters and different planes. So I wanted to be around a community of like-minded people.
Started in the Navy, worked with the F-18 squadron for 5 years, and fell in love with aviation there. So I decided to pursue it.
A distant family member offered me a plane ride back from LA back into Fresno, and I got to sit up in the cockpit with him. And I was like a little lost at the time. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. And so my parents just encouraged me to ask him questions, and the more I asked, the more I got a little bit more interested, but the same was like, yeah, fat chance, like I'll end up here.
So we're doing ILS or localizer runway 30 for Visalia, ONAV. Perfect. Definitely exceeded expectations. Most of my time has been spent in Cessnas that are probably turn of the century. So when I got here and found out that I was going to be flying a brand new airplanes that are, TAAs, technically advanced airplanes, I was definitely excited to jump in them and learn all about it.
My expectations have been exceeded by far. Show up out here, all the instructors, all the coordinators, they're top tier, very professional. And of course, the price tag of the program as well. Not many places you can go and get CFI for less than $100,000.
The instructors that I've met are extremely well-versed and practical. Airport gives you the freedom to operate without restrictions. Airplanes are well maintained. They have mechanics literally right next door to the hangar. So you're walking into an environment that's controlled, maintained, and you have all the tools that, in my opinion, you have to thrive. The only limitation is you.
I've noticed myself thinking it's crazy, but I'm just in an airplane, in a metal tube just flying, It's really fun. I really enjoy it. I like being able to look out, look down on everything, try to spot other airplanes in the air and stuff. I think it's a blast.
A real sense of peace. It's kind of surreal for me. Allows me to get my thoughts, really think about life. I really enjoy it. It's my place of happiness. If I'm down, I go and fly an airplane, I'm good to go again. I don't belong here, I belong in the air. Yeah.